Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express, back out in the nursery today. Excuse any noise of trolleys and all the activity running around packing those orders. This is Acer Negundo, Kelly's Gold. So if you're looking for a tree in your garden, into your garden, you want something a bit more unusual than just a plain old street green tree, perhaps consider this one, Acer Negundo, Kelly's Gold. It's got beautiful golden foliage, in the same sort of family, a distant cousin of the Japanese maples that you may well have seen and known with the red leaves. This is going to give you a tree maybe 10-15 metres tall in time if you allow it. We've got this, we sell it in our shrub section because people cut them down each year and let the new shoots grow up like this every couple of years, and you've got that golden foliage at the back of the border, or you can let it grow into a larger multi-stemmed tree. So this one's coming with a couple of branches here, and there's more young ones to come. So that's a really good sort of back of the border, small tree, or cut it back regularly every couple of years and you've got it as a large shrub. But the other thing you might not know about this is, fancy a salad, you can pick the leaves, young leaves off and eat these. So other thing is sugar. The sugar maple that's grown in Canada, this is related to it. People think you can only use the sugar maple. You tap these, you can make, once you've got a mature specimen, you can make your own maple syrup. I've done it with a tree myself this year with the kids. They loved it. So yeah, try Acer Kelly's Gold.